Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you these two gorgeous bridal updos. So if you guys want to see how I achieve these looks, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam and my Bone Styler comb. Okay, so I'm just going to start by sectioning my hair from the temple of my head right there. And then I'll be using my Shine and Jam just to make sure my lines are really nice and straight. You already know by now, okay? And then I'm just going to section it again down, going to my ear, you know, just a straight line. And then I'm just going to hold the hair, you know, I'm going to start working with the side that I just sectioned. I'm just using my Afro comb and some rubber bands to achieve this look. I'm just going to start sectioning my hair into little pieces, just the way I'm doing right there. Right now, I'm just going to do this little tack and roll. The reason why I'm doing this tack and roll right here, you know, tack and roll method is because I want to help out the people who don't know how to cornrow. So if you want, you can actually do a cornrow on this side, but this style right here, I just wanted to make sure it's really nice and easy for everybody to do. Anybody can actually achieve this style, sis. Okay? And, you know, don't do it too tight that you can have a headache or try to break your hair. Just make sure it's really nice and neat and, you know, secure enough. Alright guys, so this style took me about 30 minutes to do, and these styles are easy guys, very beginner friendly. I have like 5 lines all the way to the top right there, so that's what I'm doing. I just wanted to spice this style up because you know me, I like to spice everything up, sis, okay? These styles are very easy, guys. I'm telling you, just practice and you got it. I'm trying to make your 2021 so easy. Alright, so now that I'm done, I'm just gonna take my Afro comb and comb my hair out. I'm also using my Eco Styling Gel as well as my water bottle and my Diana brush to achieve this look, guys. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going to go from my ear to the center of my head. Just try to make these lines as straight as possible. I'm just gonna section my hair into like 4 pieces, you know, and then I'm just taking a scrunchie just to make sure I'm holding the hair as I section as I go along. I know that's the only struggle right there, but you know what? If you do it a couple times, I promise you, you're gonna get good, okay? Alright guys, so I'm going to start with the back right there. I'm just taking my water bottle just to make sure I spray the hair a little bit. That way it's very nice and manageable. And then I'll take my Eco Styling Gel and my Diana brush, you know, just to make sure my hair is sleek all the way down or whatever. And then I'm just going to take my scrunchie to secure it. And then that's what I'm going to do with the rest of them, guys. So while we're still talking, sis, today is the day that we're doing the 100K giveaway. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, for sharing, for commenting. Oh my gosh, so I just wanted to do a little some, you know, but you know what, you gotta watch until the end to know what the giveaway is. While we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! When I get to the second one right there, sis, what I'm doing is I do the same concept, you know, add water, Eco Styling Gel, and then I'm just gonna take the hair that I already did the tack and roll and just combine that with the second one, you know, secure it with the scrunchie, okay? And then when I get to the front, I pulled my little baby hairs out, you know, just a little bit, just to make sure my hair, you know, the style looks really nice and cute at the end, but not too much baby hair action going on, because you know I'm a bride later on. I'm gonna turn myself into a bride, okay? Alright guys, so I'm just gonna be laying my baby hairs, you know, using my Eco Styling Gel and my little brush from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And then I'm taking my styling strips and I'm just going to secure my hair, making sure my hair is laid all the way down. So now to style number 1. And then I'll be using this Super TZ 60-inch expression hair, and it comes 3 in a pack, and I'll be using all 3 sets. So what I'm doing is I'm taking it out of the pack and using this scrunchie just to secure it. And I'm taking my styling strip just to make sure my hair in the front does not get messed up when I am styling, okay? So I'm just putting it on my head, placing it on my head, and then I'm just going to twist it all the way down. And then I'm just taking my rubber band just to make sure it's nice and secure on the bottom. I twisted the other 2 down as well, and then I'll take the other 2 and just place them. One is going to be placed on the second one, and then the third one is going to be placed on the third one. And I'm just going to flip the hair and start making this into a bun, but more closer to my forehead. And then I'm just going to take the bobby pins and then start securing this just to make sure this hair is not going anywhere, sis. And then when I get to the second one, I'm just going to start, doing a little bun action as well going on over there, just going around, making this into a bun, okay? Just make sure the first one and the second one are really close together, okay? And then, just make sure you're securing with some bobby pins. That way it's really nice and secure. All right, so the last one, I'm just gonna flip it and secure it with a bobby pin, and then I'll just start making this into a bun as well, but it's going to hide the hair from the third and the fourth slick down. And I got this accessory from Amazon, this one piece. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with this piece, guys. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna place a bobby pin on the one side, and then I'll just place it on the corner right here, and then I'm just gonna start messing with it, just going around with it on this updo. When you're done, you're just gonna add some bobby pins, just to make sure this is nice and secure. When I tell you, this style came all the way through. Yes, sis. Okay, Miss Tupo, she turned herself into a whole bride. Oh my gosh, I am feeling myself right now. 2021 brides, are y'all ready? Because I'm ready for you. I'm ready to see this bride turning all the way up. Okay, sis, when I tell you I turned this style all the way to 100. On to style number 2, I'm using this Cuban twist hair. I'm just taking it out of the pack, and then I'm just going to cut it in half, just the way I'm doing right there. So I'm using 1 pack, guys. Okay, so I'm taking the hair, I'm just going to separate the hair into 6 pieces. So I'm using the scrunchie. I'm just going to place the scrunchie on each of the pieces. I'm going to be placing 2 of those in the front, guys. Okay. Then I'm just gonna start, tacking this hair, just make sure it's really nice and straight, and then start tucking it in just the way I'm doing right there towards your forehead. So the first one is coming closer to your forehead, and then when you get done close to the forehead, when it's really nice and tucked in, you're just gonna use some bobby pins to secure it. So that's about it, sis. Just make sure you're taking some bobby pins and you're securing it. And then the second one, you're just going to flip it back, and then just start tucking that in as well. I decided to do this because I wanted it to look real natural. I didn't want it to look little spacious on the top right there. That's why I used 2 on one of the ponytails. And then the third one, I just placed it on the second ponytail, and then I am just tucking it in and just using the bobby pins to secure it. And then the third one, I'm going to place it on the third ponytail as well, and just tuck it in and, secure it with some bobby pins. Very easy, beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. The fourth one, I'm going to secure it on my head, guys. but I'm securing it in a way that, you know, the hair is on the bottom, and then I'm going to just flip it up and tack it in and secure it with some bobby pins. Okay, that way it looks real natural. Like, this is my natural hair. That's the whole point, right? And I'm just gonna take these accessories that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. I got also these little accessories, bridal accessories. I am super duper excited, guys. I like the way this style came through, and I hope you guys like it too. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are feeling this style, because I am. Guys, now on to the giveaway, the 100K giveaway, guys. So I'm giving away $100 to 5 different people. So together it's gonna be $500, but it's 5 different people. So I don't care where you at. You can be anywhere in the world, sis, but I'm giving away $100 to anybody. So what you gotta do to enter this giveaway, guys, you just gotta subscribe to my channel. First things first, right? Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Tupo1, okay? Tupo1. And then you gotta comment on this video. This channel is getting juicy, okay? And then let me know how you want me to contact you. I can contact you on your IG, or you can give me your email address. It's up to you. I'm super duper excited, and I'll be announcing the winners in my next video, which is coming next, okay? Next week. I am so thankful for you guys for subscribing to my channel, for commenting, for liking, for getting your girl to 100K. So this is a small token of my appreciation, guys. I'm like, thank you. I cannot believe we are here today. Thank you guys so much. Please share this with your sister, your cousin, your mama, your best friend, your aunt, because you know sharing is caring. Okay, sis. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.